Namaste. I'd like to invite you to take a moment to find a position that will allow you to be alert, upright, and comfortable. You're welcome to close your eyes or lower your gaze. And then taking a few full, deep, nourishing breaths, allow yourself to relax and let go of any tightness or tension in your body and mind. You're welcome also to imagine a gentle rainfall. Picture the sound, the way that rain touches the earth and nourishes it, and allow this visualization to accompany you as we explore your feelings and guide them with kindness. Taking a moment to reflect on a recent time where you may have felt weak, defeated, or like a loser. It could be a moment where things didn't go as planned, or you felt stuck in a challenging emotion like self-doubt, frustration, or sadness. Choose a memory that feels manageable to revisit, avoiding anything that may be overwhelming or traumatic. Visualize yourself in that moment. Where were you? What were the surroundings like? And recall the expressions or words if other people were involved. As you sit with this memory, you may ask yourself, what was the most difficult part of this experience for me? What triggered this feeling of weakness or defeat? What was I afraid of or upset about? We'll start the practice of RAIN, where recognition is perhaps the most important aspect, where we can use this tool to notice the prominent emotion present as you revisit the experience. Is it sadness, anger, shame, self-doubt? You're welcome to softly whisper the name of the feeling that arises. Allow the feelings to exist without fighting them or pushing them away. You may want to ask yourself, what am I believing about myself in this moment? Is there a deep core belief here, like I'm not good enough, or I'll never succeed? How does this belief feel in my body? Notice where the emotion sits in your body. Perhaps it's your chest, throat, or belly. If it helps, place a hand on that part of your body as a way to offer yourself comfort. You may want to adjust your posture to embody the feeling. If it's sadness, let your shoulders slump. If it's frustration, notice any tension. You may even want to let your facial expression mirror the emotion, bringing awareness to the body-mind connection. You may want to deepen your attention within this emotion. Is there something else? Perhaps a layer of hurt, fear, or unmet needs? When you feel like you have sat with these emotions, I'd like to invite you to shift your awareness to nurturing. And so you may want to ask yourself, what does this part of me most need right now? Does it need acceptance? Forgiveness? Understanding? Love? And allow your wisest, most compassionate self to guide you. After the rain, allow yourself to imagine offering whatever it is that might be needed to soothe, perhaps a warm hug, kind words, or just a gentle presence. Take a few full deep breaths, feeling the compassion and wisdom of your higher self. And visualize healing energy flowing through your breath, nourishing your entire body. Let it wash throughout your body. If it helps, You may want to visualize a gentle rain falling, washing over you, making space for all that arises. And trust that this part of the practice will allow you to heal. As we near the end of this meditation, take a moment to sense the shifts within. And finally, notice a spaciousness where perhaps there was tightness or tension. Before we end today's meditation, I'd like to invite you to set an intention to use the practice of RAIN whenever you need grounding and healing energy during your day. And finally, take a deep breath and place a hand on your heart once again if you'd like. And let the rain remind you of renewal, growth, and your innate capacity for resilience and kindness. Namaste.